Hi, and welcome back to Andrew Ask's YouTube channel on high ticket affiliate marketing. So glad you made it back. I'm getting back in the rhythm of things. My computer crashed. Wow. Had to get a new one, and I didn't really want to spend the money, but we got that done. So now I'm back. Hit that subscribe button down below so you get notifications about when I've got new videos coming up, and you can follow me, and I really appreciate it. If you like what you see here, share my videos out on your Facebook, your other social media. So today what I want to show you, is that I talk a lot about the 15-day business builder challenge that Legendary Marketer offers. And I've personally gone through this training. I affiliate market for Legendary Marketer. I offer this training through my own personal link so that you can take advantage of what I took advantage of and learn how to become an online digital marketer. But today I want to dive into it a little bit more, and I want to show you what you're really getting. So I put together a visual presentation of me video recording my computer screen. So I apologize about the quality there a little bit, but what it's going to do is it's going to give you a chance to see what each day offers you. And stay tuned to the end because there's some bonuses. So I can't wait for you to dive into this and check it out. Super excited. And again, if you like what you see, share it, please subscribe. And at the end of the video, if you want to go down and click the link that takes you right into this amazing 15-day challenge, you can get started today. All right, everybody, here we go. This is exactly what you're going to get in the 15-day challenge. I'm going to scroll through this kind of slow so that you have a chance to look at it. It's packed with valuable information. So you're going to learn how to take the steps to becoming a freelance digital marketing business. These are steps, these are actions, these are things you're going to learn and have to do, okay? So as it says, we call it the 15-day challenge because it is truly 15 days. Day 5 is the big day. That's the day that you'll actually get to meet with your business plan advisor, and I'll get to that in a minute. You're going to learn lead generation, copywriting, sales presentations. You're going to learn how to maybe outsource some of your work so you don't have to do it all yourself and find out how affordable it is. Ways to avoid the entrepreneur syndrome. There's some actual psychology to this, some actual mental education with this as well. So it's not just do. They actually need you to be in the right mindset, and we're going to help you when you go through the ups and downs. And here is where it really gets valuable. These are the bonuses. You're going to get this included with the 15-day challenge, and this is one I think a lot of people miss talking about. We express our great desire for the 15-day challenge. We do the 15-day challenge. I love it. It has changed my life. I can't express that anymore. But there are these things that are included that are so valuable. You get that custom business plan. You're going to meet with a plan advisor. You're going to actually write out a business plan. Have you ever done that before? Most of us haven't at this point. You're going to get Facebook ad templates. This is going to help speed up the process for you so you don't actually have to create everything from the ground up. You're going to get a foundation of tools that already are proven to work. High ticket email templates. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer. I don't write the best emails from my own mind. These give you templates that you can pretty much customize, use as idea starters, or just change a few things and start putting them out there, and they work. High ticket video scripts. This is a game changer because most people don't know how to get on video and to get in front of social media, and this is actually going to tell you how to say it, what to say, give you ideas if nothing else. High ticket phone scripts. Wow. So this is going to give you the ability to actually know what to say, when to say it, okay? And this one right here, the personal one-on-one consulting with an advisor. You get this with the 15-day challenge. You will book a call with this person. They will talk you through questions and answers. They're going to help you build that business plan as well. I mean, that alone is highly valuable. You can't find a mentor for the amount of money you're going to spend for this. Bonus 7, you actually get the high ticket affiliate marketing funnels. The funnel is the sales platform in which your offer goes out. It's like a website. So if you don't know what a funnel is a website basically. It's hosted by ClickFunnels. And you don't have to build these from scratch. You're going to be able to take the ones that they've made that do work and put them out and start making money. And then you can also create new ones. So you get the benefit of using something that works and then using your talents to create new ones that might even work better. A lot of value. Now, we're going to recap this. The 15-day challenge would be a value of that. The bonuses, the high-ticket emails, the scripts, phone scripts, the consulting alone, the funnels would cost you $3,576. And you know we say it's $7. So I'm going to stop there and say, why is it $7? Well, we know that for $7, it's really hard for you to talk yourself out of all this value. And once you get in there and you realize what you can do with this, you'll be amazed at what you find the value in. So yes, we want everybody to experience this. We want everybody to have a chance to learn how this valuable money-making tool can be done. And we don't want to take a lot of money out of your pocket to do it. $7 literally gets you all this training. What are you waiting for? I don't know. There will be a link in the bottom that you can click on, and it'll take you right there and you can get started yourself. Okay there, folks. There it is. That's it. Isn't that an amazing amount of information you're going to get? What'd you think about those bonuses? Pretty cool, huh? All that is available to you. You know, you saw the value. You're going to get it for $7. And you're getting it for $7 because we want to share this amazing opportunity with you. What this opportunity is all about taking action. It's not about paying a great dollar amount of money and then just getting something. It's about spending a little bit of money to step your foot through the door and to find out, yes, this is me. This is what I've been wanting to do. This is where I want to go with my life. And we want to make that easy for you. So yeah, $7, you're in the door, you get all the training. It's a 15-day program, but you can do it as long as it takes, if it does take you a while. I understand people have jobs, families, kids, life gets in the way, but it's not a dissolving program, meaning once you've paid your $7, you get it and it's there for you to look at for life. So again, I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and follow me. We'll see you on the next video.